Welcome. Welcome back. Let's continue the show. All right, seems like we have repriced this liquidity void and we're getting closer to, there's an order block up there, yeah, and on the 1 hour, well, can still go higher. I wonder if we're gonna have a reversal to go back down to the Asia low and then lower to this gap. That's a big question. But anyway, nothing special so far. All right. Market is about to open in 50 seconds. Be careful. Don't do anything crazy. I'm gonna be looking for some short levels there, but we'll see. Gonna be interesting for sure. Here we go, 12 seconds. Three, two, one. Here's the market open. Okay. Small little push. Actually, not small push. Quite a big push right here. Might want to go for the 19K. Who knows? All right, spiked higher. Still hovering around 960. All right. There's a flat candle at 913.25. And we have 19,000 right here. Not sure if it wants to go up there, but we'll see. It looked like that it want to go, but now it might want to go down to the 50s. Alex, hey there. Kirk, hello. Yeah, we have some news, so gotta be careful. And I was actually curious if it wants to to break these highs or not. Didn't go for the okay, now it went for it. So we have the news and more news. And it's gonna be at 45, so in 11 minutes. There's an FOMC member talking right now. Okay, just the usual, you know. Just the usual. Let's look at the 1 hour. No specific levels that interest me. Relative equal highs at 389. I think we talked about this in early April. So I think we could just stay bullish, but I think the market hasn't decided yet which direction to take. Hey Jeff, what up? You took a silver trade? Wow, $3,225 profit per account. 5 accounts, Jeff, come on. That is huge. 5 times $3,200. That's cool. Good job. That is a good job. Okay, we do have an order block on the 5-minute here at 876 in case it wants to turn around. For contract. $100 per tick. How did you survive that? But hey, that's good. MP Trader, hello, good morning. Anyway, the main thing is that you made money. Nothing else matters. Okay, seems like we swept some liquidity here. Seems like it might want to go down lower. We'll see. Oh wow, what a push. Jesus, I think this was the guy from the Fed. It had to be. It just had to be that guy. Actually, Apex totally freeze down. I might have to disconnect and reconnect. This was interesting. This 1 minute candle, 160 points. Nice. 300k account. Nice. Oh, the max drawdown there. Yeah, then it's manageable. 1 to 2 ticks. That's good. That's actually good. I mean, that's good. Okay. So what's gonna happen now? Nothing. Extreme volatility right now, and a bit of a crazy market conditions. Gotta be careful. Everybody's waiting for the news. What a push here. Best to stay out, you know. All right. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Kind of ranging here. Not much to do here. All right, here's the news. I mean, this is the news scandal actually. We pushed higher. I don't know what it wants to do, honestly. Might want to push it higher, might want to drop it as an elevator. It's really hard to know. It's really, really hard to know. Man, we gotta wait this one out. I don't know. I don't know what the hell is going on with this. I feel like it's just lost momentum and maybe gonna go sideways. All right. It's just going up. Keeps going higher. This is totally untradeable, everybody. We're just struggling here. Do we wait? Is there anything else that we're waiting for here? New home sales is going to happen in 10 minutes. It's totally untradeable. Full port? No. At this point, I don't know. I look at this 5-minute candle. This is doji. Untradeable. And I don't really have good targets on the upside. Actually, we have relative equal lows at 254. But I just don't like it. Liesel, hello. Send me an email. Yeah, okay, let me check. Let me check because I have lots of emails. I have lots of emails here. Oh, I received it. I received the test email. Test Liesel TPT. I have it. I have it. All right. I have it. Absolutely. Absolutely, Liesel. We'll look into that issue. We'll look into that. I don't know what could have happened. The only thing we can do is maybe do a TeamViewer session, or I don't want to know your login credentials, and I don't want to log into your account from my IP address. So I think the best thing we can do is to do a TeamViewer session, maybe, or AnyDesk or something like that, because these prop firms are monitoring the IP addresses as well, and never know. Okay, still nothing. What's happening on gold? At least we should see something here. Gold is going lower. All right, swap those lows. Not a good idea to enter right now. Now, here is a possible short entry. Question is, I entered the short only with one micro here. Very bad entry, to be honest. Very, very bad entry. I'm just looking to get to that small gap down there. Nothing else. This is basically at the market, after the market opens, so basically the opening range. I just want to see a bit of a gap fill situation there. If we can get it. Yeah, definitely. We will have the time for it. Lizalion, we look into it. We look into it. Best times, by the way, for me is, for example, after London streams or after New York streams, usually. Except today, because I have to do some errands in the city, but usually after London and after New York streams is good for me. But you know, if there's any other time which is better for you, let me know. You work from home. Oh, you're free. Okay, you're free anytime. Nice. Okay then. Nice. This doesn't want to go. I don't know what's happening with this. I might have to close it. Alright, I'm closing it. I had to close it. I just didn't feel like that particular trade was a good idea holding onto it, so I did what I could, right? I did what I could. Everybody's waiting for the news anyway, so I thought that this is just gonna fall down to below that 69, so it didn't go. It didn't go. Oh wow. Getting ready for the news. Price is a little bit wild. Okay. Almost. Here it comes, just a few seconds. And here's the news. Wow. This is crazy. Like it's technically jumping 20 points up and down. Oh my god, look at this. Disciplined trader, hello. Hey, how was your day? Created a nice doji here, and again back to indecision. Indecision land. Yeah, it's not tradable. Going well. Lizelle, this is absolutely not tradable. Everybody, I mean, if you're seeing this kind of price action, then you will know. Funded Futures network accounts, I mean, today was a total disaster for me. Look at the funded accounts here. Look at how many profits I did on this account, negative $10, and look at how many fees I paid. Net P&L is negative $10, but I would have been up 244. I was scalping today up and down on this one. And the other one also, I made $26, but I paid like $250 in fees. But both the accounts are at $482, and the other one is at $554. Slow grind, slow grind. It is what it is. No full port, Kirk. No full port. Not yet. We're not there yet, Kirk. Kirk. It's not the time yet, man. Not yet. God, I wish what to do here. 5 minute looks super ugly. 15 minute also. Oh my god. This is a coin toss here. Absolutely a coin toss. I would love to see it go down to 966. I have a feeling it's almost impossible. All my funded this morning was up 500, but I didn't take it. It came back to negative. It happens, but hey, if you're down negative 300, it's still a good, quote unquote, a good loss. You know, you can just walk away with $300, and it's not a big deal. Next day you can start again. You call tails? I don't know, Kirk. What is for tails? Is it a sell or a buy? For now, I would like to see this go down to 69, but it's a tricky one. I mean, 969. This is just sideways movement. better to stay out on a market like this. If it goes down to the 80s, I'm gonna full port to a short 968.50-ish area, or 969. And I try to enter somewhere at the somewhere at the 80s. If I see it go down there. Why? Close below 16 is bearish. I mean, yeah. Yeah, let's say so. If we close below 16, looks good for jumping into a short. But look at this price action, it's just unbelievably bad. It's not going. I know what you don't is here saying we're going higher. Why not? 160 then 250. Let's see it. I mean, yeah, why not? we could draw liquidity 252. What's up there at 252? Oh, I see. Yeah. These here. Okay. All right. Not a bad idea, actually. Yeah. Equal highs. I see it. All right. I see it. This is the problem is what we're seeing right now. This is just a 1 minute chart. Absolutely untradeable. It's better to wait. What to do? Slowly going higher. Not the best place to enter. Oh man. This is like watching paint dry again. It's just not, the market is absolutely not reacting the way it should. Man, this is super duper boring. I don't know what happened here. But this is really slow. Okay, what's it gonna be? Alright, I'm full porting. Let's go. Let's go. And just one small step here. Yeah, nice. Got it. All right. I got some nice new accounts. Nice. Let's see. I have 6 new Apex accounts. 6? Yeah, I made 6. Six new Apex accounts. I take it anytime. Alright. Out of 12. I think it should be going lower. This is nightmare, this price action. I don't even want to trade. There's nothing to trade, actually. I mean, what can we do at the market like this? What can you really do with a crazy ass stupid market like this? I just don't want to do anything with this one. So what happened with Tesla here? Tesla pumped higher. Anyway. Revenue down 71%. You mean Tesla? Tesla revenue is down? Then I guess it's time to invest, right? We'll see. Gold has been clean action. Show you my salute. Rob the scalper, the buying algo. I don't know what to do with this right now, man. Really? So where is it? Is it on Financial Juice or something? Or is it in the Wall Street Journal maybe? Bloomberg has it maybe? Look at that. Now it's going. Look at this go, by the way. Interesting. It wants to go. All right. Yeah, Ariane, that would be interesting to see. But at this point, it's nothing that, I mean, nothing that I like here in terms of any kind of entry. Man, what to do with this? This is just not something I like to trade. There's nothing clean here that I like. I do like those relative equal highs though, so I take it back. Those are that's a good spot there, I must say. And now this 145 looking good. Not gonna lie, it looks good. Looks like it wants to go higher, right? I just don't like it. Yeah, it's going up there to the 45. Beanie Player, what up? Half away from getting rid of your buffer? Let's go. But be careful. This market is crazy. All right. This is absolutely crazy market. There you go. 45. It's going. All right. Let me put this here. What a slow grind. All right. All right. Man, I'm just actually I don't want to enter a trade here. This is just absolutely the worst area to enter or trade. I'm just not into it. This one is absolutely trash. Absolute trash. I don't like this. I'm just watching this and keep watching it, and I still don't see any reasonable target here. Anything at all. Relative equalizer 252 would be great, but I mean, no entry. Maybe the 5-minute would. This would be a bullish breaker here, right? So if I anticipate that we're going for the 252, then actually this one could be a good one. You know, risk to reward is still okay. I would say why not, you know. If we would go down to 71, maybe I would try a long position. And, you know, trying to anticipate that we're going to have a move up there. But first, I need to see this level. If that's going to get tagged, I might going to take a trade on it. So what I'm going to do here is I might actually gonna take a trade. I mean, a limit order. Limit order. Okay. My limit order would be at 71. $19,071. All right. I put a buy limit there just in case. And I'm just gonna wait for it. It's not, I don't think it's gonna go down there. But that's a valid bullish breaker for now. An optimal trade entry would be at the 71. If it's not gonna take it, it's fine. The momentum is not so great anyways. So here's the I'm only gonna risk $100, actually more, 120-ish. If it takes it, it takes it. It actually looks like it could be a potential sell here. Doesn't look like it wants to take it, but it could go lower, maybe. Would have been vetted on the 5-minute, but the OTE entry would be a little bit lower. So if it starts to go higher, I'm just gonna skip this one and not gonna do anything crazy with it. It's not working out, but still gonna wait. Optimal trade entry could happen. And you know, for short-term selling, this could also be a good opportunity to jump in for a sell. It's not going for it yet. Karsten, hello. Well, the day so far is good. I mean, basically break even. Nothing special happened. This is by far the first trade officially that I call out and waiting for a long entry. Wish you the best too. Thank you so much for dropping in. Thank you, thank you. Seems like it wants to go. Maybe it's gonna go without me, and I'm not jumping into this. Not right now. You went long? Let's go. Careful with that 5-minute bullish breaker here, but I think it's, I mean, I'm also long biased here. This is the 5-minute. I'm looking for an OTE level down there at 71, but I think it just might gonna go to the 250s without tapping that level. So okay, going lower a little bit here. This is difficult conditions. I mean, the market is never easy, but this is a difficult decision to make. I'm also thinking if maybe I have to close that trade almost at 71. Kirk, yeah, the macro is kicking in, so I'm a little bit curious if this one's gonna tap the mid level of that area OTE. It didn't go for my order yet. It's almost there. It didn't pick it up. Not yet. Almost picked it up, but didn't. Guys, if you see this, you gotta see this. There's my order. It has not been picked up. Look at my order right down there. That was my limit order right down there. Missed it with 3 ticks. Maybe he's gonna pick it up, who knows. Oh, this is a joke, really. What a joke. Yellow line. That's just 19,000. And up there, this is relative equal highs to the left. And up there, I don't even know. I'm going to delete that. Down there, this is an order block, which is a 5-minute order block. Yeah. 5-minute bullish order block. And my order has not been picked up. Look at this. Huh. This is unreal. Unreal. 20 points in now. Almost 20. These 50 points if I would have been picked up. Anyway, it could be a sell model developing, which is gonna go down to 41. Could be possible. I'm deleting this order. I'm not feeling comfortable. I'm not feeling comfortable with the move. I just don't feel, I'm not feeling comfortable at all with this, the whole thing. Yeah, but I'm just not feeling it. You know, the more I stress on to it, the more I stress on, I'm not feeling that Zen state, you know, like a clear mind and everything. The more I stress onto the trade, the more it's gonna disturb me. So I think I'm calling it. I think I'm calling it. I'm gonna show you guys how I did today. Overall, no trades on the Apex accounts. This one has got deducted because I got approved for payout, so it's fresh. No trades on the 3 Apex accounts. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new Apex accounts, which I passed today with the cheap evaluations. I should have been picked up now anyway. So these are brand new. The Bulenox accounts, I flipped these to request the payout, so I'm gonna requesting Bulenox payout for next week. This one is a brand new Bulenox account, nothing. The Funded Futures network account, this was a really hard day, technically at break even. This is funded as well. This one has $54, but basically break even. The MyFundedFutures accounts almost left, also left untouched. This is a brand new, this is the one that I passed yesterday with the 1-day pass. And we have the Take Profit Trader account, and that's it. That is it. I don't want to trade. That's it. I'm calling it. So thank you, everybody. And don't forget, tomorrow there will be no London session, okay? But I'll be back after the London stream. No London session tomorrow, and I'll be back for New York. This is a crazy market. I just don't like it. I don't feel it. I'm not liking it. So everybody, thank you so much. If you would like to support, it's time to grab some accounts at Apex. 90% sale ends tomorrow midnight, so you still have like 20 something hours, 32 hours, whatever. Grab it while you can. Bulenox is on a sale, and of course Take Profit Trader, they're gonna go back to activation fees, so grab it while you can. And of course the rest of those. MyFundedFutures, the cheapest account is the starter, $82 all in. So get it. Funded Futures network, you know the drill. Anyway, thank you, everybody. God bless you all, and see you tomorrow in New York. All right, cheers, everybody.